Our continuing coverage of immigration in Kern County tops our newscast this hour. It has been months since that Border Patrol operation here in Bakersfield, which led to the arrest of 78 individuals. But despite the agency stating it was an operation targeting criminals, a news investigation shows it wasn't as targeted as advertised. 17's Jenny Ha in studio now to explain. Jenny?
Jim, reporters say this operation was unique because agents targeted locations popular to farm workers, not individuals based on criminal records.
Scared because a lot of my family work in the field.
If they looked Hispanic or like they worked in the fields or, they looked a little dirty, they would ask for their paper.
On January 7th, 65 agents from the El Centro sector of U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, began Operation Return to Sender in Kern County. CBP said it arrested 78 undocumented people with criminal records from Central, South America, and China, including sex offenders, drug traffickers, and those with DUI convictions. But a months-long investigation by CalMatters, Evident, and Bellingcat shows it's not that straightforward.
This is not what that operation was. This was people who are getting up early to go to work, to do the kinds of the jobs that personally I don't want to do. We got data from Customs and Border Protection that shows that 77 out of the 78 people arrested, Border Patrol had no knowledge of criminal or immigration history.
Simply put, prior to contact, agents did not know anything about these individuals. The data shows only one arrestee had a prior removal order. 17 News spoke with Sergio Olmos of CalMatters, who in February interviewed El Centro's Chief Patrol Agent Gregory Bovino.
We had a predetermined list of targets, many of which, as you say, were prior deports, already had immigration history, criminal history.
If they had that list, and we've not seen a list like that, if they had it, they didn't go after them.
Olmos says an analysis of videos posted on social media shows CBP targeted specific areas.
Even if you just look at the map, they didn't go to certain areas to try to target a fentanyl dealer. They were going to places where people gas up and get breakfast to go to the fields, or they're coming back from the fields.
Including this chevron on Merle Haggard and 7th Standard, one of the first spots CBP hit.
And none of the other stores got hit except for this one because it's like the bigger one. This is where almost everybody comes in.
Since the start of the 3-day operation, Bovino's narrative has not changed.
Every single one of the 78 that we arrested were criminals. When you cross the border illegally, 8 U.S.C. 1325, illegal entry into the United States, so they were all criminals. Let's get that one out of the way here.
The way he's thinking about it is there is no difference between the field worker and the fentanyl dealer. And I asked 3 times, is there no priority for your agency to go after the fentanyl dealer or the laborer?
Since January, CBP has declined numerous interview requests, including today. And to watch the full CalMatters investigation, visit our website, kget.com. Jenny Ha, 17 News.